Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Hold on, hold on. Woo! Oh, let me place myself real fast. I'm gonna sit. Is this yours, Oscar?
Yeah, I'm taking a photo. Hey, hold it up like a beer commercial.
Like this, like this.
This guy, bro.
Now look at the camera. Just towards the people. Yeah, there we go.
Hey, give me that.
Look how crazy. Oh, Frankie.
Yeah?
So what I'm thinking now is check this out. You're gonna wanna go back. You're gonna wanna do like.
There's nothing here. Okay. Okay, hold on. I wanna fly over these things right here. Hold on.
She was telling me to do all the cool tricks and stuff. Tricks and tips. Maybe it's because it's in sport mode.
That's Bixby Bridge right here?
Yeah, that's it.
This is my own video then?
Say again?
This is my own video?
Yeah, but I get it. I mean, if you're recording,
Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it.
You wanna move a little bit? Frank, you gotta move a little bit so you can take your photo.
Huh?
Shut up.
Yeah, something like that. If you're careful, go down and go through the pillars. Go through that shit.
I'm gonna do everything, I'm gonna do everything.
Right through that bitch. It's coming towards us.
Hell yeah. Smell it. Here, come on. And then it just circles around my car. Ooh.
Go through the pillars.
Okay, now I'm just backing out. I'm backing out. I'm just getting all the angles, you know?
Yeah, definitely. Like I said, keep recording and it's gonna be one fat ass clip. Now let's chop it up.
And now I'm just dipping down.
Go like down, then find the right lateral, and so it goes straight through the thing. And you know, definitely like. You can even go look for some sharks if you want, bro. Can you?
So what, like no trespassing through there?
Alright, look at this. Here it is. And it's gonna spin around and come to us. And I'm gonna go higher to it. I'm gonna go higher toward it. Oh, I can't look any higher. Oh no! Where'd it go? Where'd it go, dude? Oh fuck, dude, it's gone.
That's too bad.
Hold on, I don't know, man.
It's gone.
Shit, dude. Oh,
I mean, there's a way down there.
Is there?
Yeah, it's over there.
Alright.
The other side.
Holy shit, dude.
Watch out.
Careful, not there. Keep following the road. You got a big
I mean, I'm trying to see where it is. Like right here somewhere. So it's like down there somewhere. Fuck, let's go, Oscar. You down? I'm gonna set my beer and go grab this shit. Fuck. Can I even find it? Holy shit.